Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create an action button in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is a fillable PDF form and I'll create here an action button. Now select form option and here you will find this OK button option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor and draw a box. Now press right button, your mouse cursor and select Properties dialog box. Properties dialog box is general option. This OK button name and read only required so on. And this appearance option. And this field color no color. Or you can select any other color. This one. Now select action option and it's select trigger, mouse up, mouse down, and so on. You can select and it's action, selected action. You can open a file, you can open a web link or go to a page in this document, reset a form and submit form and so on. And I'll create this open web link, select, now select add action to list and type your web link here. I'll add this youtube.com. Now select OK and say this and say close and hand option and click here and select allow and say this YouTube dialog box. Now open. Say this. Also you can edit this box. Properties and option. Here you can type your link name. See this color option sense. Make it bold and set close. And now click here. Allow. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.